What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get your key code. I lost my key to my motorcycle and cannot make any videos on it or anything. And yeah, you can't even turn the key. I lost it and it was attached to a lanyard. So, alright, so we're going to show you how to get your key code. And pretty much you just take this little part off and take out the bolts right here. Pull this off, set it to the side, which I got that little clock right there. And for a Honda 150, which is what I ride, it's a 2007. You need an 8mm. That's a short with an extension, and then I think a 1/2-inch drive. I ain't a 3/8, but it should be on this, and you'll see it about right here. So pretty much you come over to the side, you can see it, but you can't really see it with a camera because it is teeny tiny writing. But I got my code already up there on a piece of paper, and that's pretty much how you do it. It's very easy, very quick, and I'm so glad they added it because it's about $80 to fix it. And then if you do not find it there, you have to rewire all the way back into your, or it's under your gas tank. And I was getting really desperate and somehow got a little bit lucky and found it. So that's our garage. So we'll probably be doing videos and stuff. Bye.